functional keys. If you want to select the company, F1, or else if you want to log in as remote user, F2. Directly if you want to create the company, just press F3. Just I want to select it. Okay, leave it the functional keys. If you want to open the company, select the F1. If you want to create the company, select with the help of your narration keys, enter, create company. So these are the creation of the company. Directory is nothing but the whatever the data you are creating, it will be stored under C drive, users, public, tally.erp9 and a data folder, and name, which company you are using, whether any companies, Sharma companies or any Pandu company, Prasad companies, you need to enter the name. Okay, just I want to say here Sharma and company limited. Okay, mailing name, automatically whatever the company name you have entered here automatically will be shown as a mailing name. If you want to change the mailing, you can change it. Address, what is the address of your not your company, means which company you are doing, that company address, not your own company address. Okay, so address Hyderabad. Country, here we have the list of countries in which country it is related, whatever the company you are using, whether Indonesia, Hong Kong, Ghana, Egypt. So here we have more list of countries. From these countries only we need to select. So we are India, so select the state, which state you are working. If you want to select, we can select whether Telangana or else whether AP, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. So select any state here. Okay, so next, pin code. What is meant by pin code? The whatever the state you have selected here, according to that we need to select the pin code. So select any pin code here. Next, contact details. These all are the mailing address, and next these all are the contact details. What is phone number? Okay, next what is meant by mobile number? Mobile number of companies. If it is fax number, enter the fax number. Email, if you want to enter the email, just enter the email sharma@gmail.com, like this. Okay, what is website? If your company have the website, select, just enter www.sharma.com. Okay, so these are related to a contact details. First, what we have learned, directory means whatever the data you are doing, it stores in which folder, in which drive, C drive, all those, and name of your company, mailing details, Hyderabad address, contact details, and email address, all those can be seen in a contact details. Now next, according this India, according the selection of this country, we need to select the rupees and symbols, all those. So here we have selected country as a India. So base currency symbols, what is the currency symbol of your India? Rupee. Okay, so if you are selecting any US, all those, according to that country we need to select the rupees. It will be as a dollars, like that. Okay, formal name, what is meant by formal name? Indian's formal name is INR, Indian rupees, INR. Suffix symbol to amount. Suffix symbol to amount means whatever the amount you are writing, 20 rupees or 30 rupees, for each and every amount you need to assign the symbol like a rupee. If you want, yes, otherwise no. And space between amount and symbol, whenever you want to write the amount and symbol, if you want space between the two, if you want, yes, otherwise no. Show amount in millions, you want to whatever the amount you are writing in a single digit or 2 digits or 3 digits, every amount want to show in a millions? No. If you show in that, what is the difference we will get? If you write 20, it will show as in a 20 millions. So better to keep the option no. Next, here base currency informations. Base currency informations, here we can say these all are related to base currency informations, means currency symbols. So how many zeros you want to suffix, if you want to give the space between symbol and rupees, all those can be seen here. Number of decimal places, if you are counting your rupees 2.00. How many will be? 2 only, no? Just better to keep here 2, not less than 2, not more than 2, right? Word representing amount after decimal, paise. Our rupee starts from 1 rupee or 2 rupees, not, no, from paise it will be counted. Number of decimal places for amount in words, 2. Okay, these related to a base currency informations. And after writing here website, books and financial year, I want to know you what is our financial year. From 1st April to 31st March is the ending year. Just see here, financial year begins from 1st April, beginning year from both are same. Okay, for some companies will have from 1st January to 31st December, like that. So based on your company we can select our financial year. Financial year starts from 1st April and books beginning is 1st April. Okay, both will be same. And till here, after creating all those, if you want to give to your company any password, here we have the security control also. Okay, for example, if you are preparing a big organizations in your tally, okay, so you don't want to show by anyone, only you want to only keep you in your basis. In that time we need to select here passwords, repeat password. Okay, if you are writing any password, it will ask the repeat password. Use security control if you want, yes, otherwise leave it. I don't want to give the passwords here, so just remove the password. So after this, if you want to save the company, how to save the company? Enter. It will ask the total. What is basic base currency symbols, formal name, suffix symbol to amount. It will ask every one line. It will ask. If you want to accept, enter. Otherwise press N. It will not accept. So I want to press the enter. So whatever the company you have created, Sharma, it will display at left side, Sharma and company. No vouchers has entered. No vouchers means just only we have created the company, right? We didn't enter any transactions. So this is the creation of the company. Clear? Once more I'll explain with the help of your notes. First we need to write how to create the company. Double click on tally ERP 9, select work in educational mode. Okay, select create company. Name, company name. So after opening, select create company. The screen will be opened. Company creation screen will be opened. Company creation screen will be opened. Enter the company name. Just I want to show you the screenshot, but it is okay, leave it. Enter the company name. ABC, your wish, not only mandate now, it is not mandatory which I have entered Sharma, your wish, ABC or XYZ company limited. enter the details of company. Here, whenever we are working in the company, it is mandatory to enter all those address, phone details, all those. But whenever we are working as a offline, just you can enter only company name and select the country and select the state. That's all. No need to enter all those details every time. No need to enter. So if you are working in a educational mode, so that just give the company name, select the country name, and select the state name. That's all. But whenever you are working in the organization, that time all the rules and all the options, it is very important, all those which should be entered by the user. Enter the details of company, address, okay, contact details, okay, country, state, pin code, all those, etc. Contact details, details of company, address, contact details, country, stage, etc. Okay, and save the company. Company will be saved. Just see here, I want to open once more. Create company. Just select here create company. Name Anil and Co. Okay, select the country, state if you want you can, or the other is not applicable. Okay, just I want to select it. What is pin code, all those it is required on a whenever you are working on your organization basis. So this is the offline, just leave it, all those pin code, phone numbers, mobile number. If you want you can, if you want I will select it, phone number, mobile number, fax, email, website, okay. So company has created, and save the company. Shortcut key is Ctrl+A to save the company. Company will be created. It displays at left side the company name at list of companies. So you can select the company from that list. So which company you have opened, it will be in a dark. Just observe these points. From you can select the company from the list. Just I want to say you the point. Whenever you will open the company, if you want to know in which company you are using, just if you want to know which company you are using. Okay, at left side under list of companies, the which company you are opened, it will be in a dark, means it will be in a bold. Under list of companies, if you want to know which company you are using, at left side under list of company, the opened company will be in a dark, will be in a dark or bold. Clear? See here. Now we have which company we have opened? Anil, right? Now we are in a Anil company. So it has been created 1st April. And one more thing we need to remember, now we are working as a offline, right? So it will not accept the day to days. Today is the date 21st March. See here we have opened the Anil company, and the date it will not accept, it will accept only 1st April. Okay, it will not accept the 21st March. Why? Because we are working in a offline. Whenever we are working in a online, it will accept the day to day date, but in the offline requirement will not accept the date, present date. Okay, so here we have opened the Anil and company, it is in a dark. Now I want to open the Sharma. So how to open? First select a company. So select a company. Here Sharma, double click on this. It will be in a dark. You have observed, right? So if I will open the Anil, it will be in a dark. In under the list of selected companies, the name of company and date of last entry. So here Sharma and company, if you want to open, whenever you will create the company, previous while creating the company you have seen only selecting, creating the company, but here there is a gateway of Tally total company informations. Select company. If you want to select the company from your list, we can select the company. Here we have created only 2 companies, Sharma company and Anil company. So shut company means if you want to delete. So this all I'll explain at the end of the Tally. Just what are the options we have seen, just we can see about these options which we have presented in the under gateway of Tally. Create company means you'll know. Okay, if you want to create the company, we can create group company, alter, change Tally vault, split the company, backup, restore, all those can be explained. So I want to select one more. Select. Now which company? Anil. Anil will be in a dark. These the companies which will be created, all those. Okay. So next we can see once more company creations and all those receipts, all those I'll explain you. Okay.